Welcome to Speak Up English. Learn from zero. This channel helps you speak English step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Can you introduce yourself in English? Let's learn how to say your name today. We are in a recording studio. Anna and John are practicing a simple English conversation for beginners. Hello, my name is Anna. What is your name?
Hi, Anna. My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too.
In this conversation, Anna and John introduce themselves. You can use "my name is" to say your name in English. When you meet someone new, ask, "What is your name?" To be polite, say, "Nice to meet you." Now let's practice together. Please listen and repeat slowly. My name is Anna. My name is John. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Say this sentence out loud or write it in the comments. My name is... Nice to meet you. Thank you for learning with Speak Up English. Learn from zero. Practice every day, speak with confidence, and see you in the next lesson.